In this video, three learning management systems, or LMS, will be evaluated based on their application in a learning environment. A learning management system is a software app that is used to house online learning courses. It can include materials, assignments, discussions, videos, and assessments. A LMS allows students and teachers to interact with one another. When choosing an LMS, it is important to consider the hardware and student needs. For the purpose of this video, three LMS will be evaluated to suit the needs of a third grade inclusion classroom. The classroom is currently full face-to-face, but last year was fully online as well as blended. By evaluating the different LMS, teachers will be better prepared in the event that distance learning is necessary again, or if blended learning were to be incorporated. The three LMS that will be evaluated are Google Classroom, Canvas, and Schoology. Canvas is a paid LMS. It includes many different features such as easy organization of course materials, online testing with pictures and graphs, ability to record videos, and an automatic gradebook. However, there are a few challenges with Canvas, most notably being that the gradebook is not flexible. This is especially a challenge for an elementary inclusion classroom where modifications for assignments often occurs. Google Classroom is beneficial in that it is free for educators, easy to access materials, is able to incorporate different resources such as YouTube, and allows for teacher collaboration. However, after using Google Classroom during distance learning in this setting, it became apparent that it does not provide enough data on student usage. During full online learning, it was difficult for teachers to track the progress of students as well as their activity. Finally, Schoology includes a social networking type interface, which makes it familiar and user-friendly for all parties. It also has a professional learning network available to support teachers. However, it can be difficult to incorporate other media such as YouTube, and can be somewhat tricky to create assignments. Based on the strengths and weaknesses of each LMS, Canvas would be the most appropriate if the school were to return to fully online, as it provides lots of data on student usage and has more interactive assessments. For blended instruction, Google Classroom or Schoology would be more appropriate as they include all the necessary features needed, such as the organization of course materials and assessments, and students are more familiar with those formats, so they'll be able to adjust quickly. If just switching to blended instruction temporarily, Google Classroom would be the best option because it is free.